and welcome to my channel. My name is Hunter. Ariel, where are you?
Back here. Hi.
If you don't know, my name is Hunter. If you do know, welcome back. So today we're gonna do what should we do? A day in the life of a college student. So we're just gonna vlog.
Life of visitors at a college.
Yeah, we don't know what this is gonna be exactly yet. We'll figure it out though. We're gonna document my life now.
Day in the life of having visitors.
These two are my sisters. This is Veronica.
Hi.
And then in the back is Ariel.
Hi.
She's my sister-in-law. She's married to my brother. I don't know how he snagged her. Anyways, I'm gonna vlog. So we're just gonna show.
My mom's here waiting.
My mama is here waiting. She's over here texting. I don't know if you can see her.
She's probably texting you to get out of the fucking car.
Let's see. She probably had to get off the car. Okay, anyways, here we go. We're gonna vlog. We're gonna vlog a day in the life of a college student. We're gonna have them be college students for the day. Oh, here's my mom. She said, take your time. Mama, I'm vlogging.
Hey, we're standing here waiting.
I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel. Are you subscribed?
No.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. It's a day at the World Market.
We just need $1,000 each. Mom's only been in here for 2 seconds and she's already grabbing stuff. It's like a boho TJ Maxx. Oh, that's super cute. I could imagine that in your house.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. I want to read it.
Super cute. I could definitely make this my home. This is a really cute chair. For those of you that don't know, World Market is a TJ Maxx but a bit more overrated. So this is gonna be a clip of all 5 of us freaking out about the prices because we're all broke.
If they don't put the price on it, that means it's expensive.
Or they're having affairs they don't want you to know about.
She does that.
My mom just kissed me cheek. This is cute.
So the only people that would sign it would be the guys. They're the only ones that shit that long.
I'm so glad I got that on camera.
You did.
Don't even know if I really like this day like this.
When you walk into a store and you just want to spend everything. This is such a cute store. Is this so expensive?
I'm going to check the price on one bath towel.
$15. Oh, sweet Jesus. No.
You guys have fun. Well, me and Ariel are the only broke ones that didn't get anything. It's fine. Everything is fine. Yeah, TJ Maxx is where I go to spend money. World Market is where I go to get ideas. Veronica is not amused with how long my mother is taking right now with her phone coupon. One eternity later. Now we are off to lunch, right, Mom?
Yeah.
It's like really zoomed in.
Pizza.
Wow, this. We love these lids so that way we don't have to use straws, right, Mom? Mm-hmm. Save the turtles. Look at each of our foods. Where are we going? IKEA! Girls trip to IKEA. Veronica's driving because I give her car motion sickness. Yes, yeah, we're just gonna stay the night in IKEA, living there forever. It's fine. Never going home ever. Mom who? I'm gonna need every single car in front of us to clear this lane because this is only for us.
Please get out of the way.
IKEA, here we come. Yay, 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 yay. Welcome to IKEA. Ariel's ready. Is she gonna use it?
We shall see.
We shall see. Welcome to my future bathroom setup. Okay, this is where I'm gonna stay so I can smell them. I wish my apartment smelled like this all the time. Oh yeah. Oh, I might just buy a candle. This is so freaking cute. Are you serious right now? Where would I put this? Do I really need this?
You can put like little dots or for places that you've gone or tax places that you've been or
Yeah.
little paint dots or something.
I've been here. This is Italy, Spain. I've been to Ireland. And then France is like right here. How freaking cute though. I'm just gonna put it in there for just a second. I'm probably not gonna get it, but I'm just gonna put it in the cart for right now. Yeah. Thanks guys. Decided not to get it. Actually, I might need one of these. I don't have 99 cents. F me up. IKEA is like Candyland, but for adults. Are you kidding me? Welcome to my future home. We're going against the grain, but it's okay to be different sometimes. Oh, okay, our cart's not the only one that's messed up.
I think they all just kind of like.
They really do too. Ariel's the first in line to get into the elevator. Dun 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 dun. Oh, we've got to go with the people. Bye, Veronica. Oh, here she comes. A whale you. This is an ear pillow. An ear pillow. Oh my god, I love you so much. You're probably the cutest mom I've ever met.
My heart.
I was gonna say, can you hug me? I love you. Okay, hold on. You're close up. Oh god. My heart. You just dropped it. Oh, way to, yeah. Break my heart. This is why I came to IKEA, the displays. Oh. The difference between a mom and me. You go for that and I'm like, look at this island. She's like, look at this cute little kitchen for babies. Oh, so beautiful. And then the lights inside. Could you imagine? What a freaking day.
You're right there.
Same, Ariel.
Not really deep though.
My goodness. Sorry. Just taking a quick house tour, it's fine. Sorry, I just had to go take a house tour real quick. Are you kidding me? All of your cooking books are there. Oh, let me go look. Are you serious? Oh, a little little wine shelf for all my future wines. This is gonna be my life in like 20 years, and I'm making hopefully money in the future because I don't know. Where are you gonna hide, Veronica? That's a good idea, and then we could stay the night in IKEA. Oh! What's up? I love like the beds like this. Oops, sorry. Here you go.
You want that? No,
This is so cute. This would be a dream.
perfect Breland bed.
That's so cute. The little day bed.
Share you guys.
I want to know how much this is.
Comes back with the whole bed for Dylan. He's gonna be like, what happened? It's cute. IKEA! You're okay, you're okay. Oh my gosh! That was all you guys.
Something smells so good. Don't worry, we're not here.
We came close to it though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh! That was alright guys, a good IKEA trip, right ladies? That was your first time at IKEA?
Yeah.
Thoughts?
Amazing. It was
Amazing.
really big. Kind of overwhelming.
It was
overwhelming. There's a lot of people.
Everything that I got, I put away. I didn't end up getting anything because
I got what I
that's just the
needed.
thing. Veronica and Ariel are great mamas. They thought about their children the whole time. I love them.
I got a hand soap dispenser, I guess.
So your kids wouldn't break it. Yeah, so your kids wouldn't break it. Let me plug in real quick. Let me buckle in real quick. So that is the end of our vlog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've ever been to IKEA, comment down below. Always hit that subscribe button. Remember, take it one day at a time.